everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again. We're doing another sneak peek project that's coming out of the new mini catalog, the January through April mini catalog. Let me show you the bundle real quick. It's called the Hugs for Love bundle. This is a punch bundle. So we have this great punch that punches out our two outlines, and then all of these will fit in there as well. So I can't show you the catalog yet. This is just a bundle, but I am also using some new designer's paper. It's called Floral Delights Designer Series paper. This is from the Floral Delight, well, that makes sense, Floral Delight Suite. This is beautiful. It's a lot of yellow, green, and blue. So this is the design that we're using today with that light blue background. We also, and then the back of that is just a yellow and green little pattern. Then we have this paper. The back is a green kind of textured background. Love that one. Here we have yellow with white flowers. And then a crumb cake, I think it's crumb cake textured pattern. Okay, our next pattern is this floral without the stems, with the different flowers. And then we have a yellow plaid. I love plaid, so cute. Then we have this one, and I feel like somebody said they were forsythia flowers. And then we have just a different one. It's white with a little bit of the yellow pattern there, stripes. And then we have this one with a little diamond type shape pattern. I love the back sides of the flowers too. Okay, before we also are going to use just a little bit, we have coordinating vellum. I love the vellum. I don't always use it as much as I would like to. But this one has coordinating vellum. We're going to use just a little bit of this blue plaid vellum on our card today. Then we have this beautiful, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We have 2 sheets of that. And then we have 2 sheets of the plaid, and then 2 sheets of this blue with the white and yellow flowers. Isn't that beautiful paper? Stampin' Up! Really does paper well. I love all their paper. Okay, let me set this aside. And just a quick reminder, I can't post links to purchase this yet, but on my blog, I will post the numbers, the prices, and when you can order them. So if you love this card or if you love the product, then start making your wish list so it's ready to go. All right. There's also an extra stamp set in the mini catalog that coordinates with this. So it's not part of the bundle, it's separate, but if you're gonna get this bundle, you might as well get the other one. So we'll feature that later. Okay, let's get out. We're not using a whole lot of product here. We're doing some Daffodil Delight for our card base. I have a layer of Old Olive. I have a piece of our designer paper. I have a little strip of our plaid vellum, and then a piece of white. So let's do some stamping. I'm going to start out with some Daffodil Delight ink, and I'm going to use this little heart stamp right there. And we are just going to add a little texture to our card front with our hearts. So I'm going to just stamp some hearts. Kind of going down the sides because that's all that's going to show. I'll do that down both sides. A little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, whoops. Look, I just stuck my fingers in the yellow ink. Okay. Messy, messy. All right, now I'm going to take our outline that we're using. It has little hearts on it. And we're going to stamp that in the pool party. And I'm just going to stamp it right here on our scrap piece of white. And then I'm going to take some Old Olive. I'm going to stamp this. It just says, sending you a big hug, which could be a lot of different, for a lot of different occasions. I'm just going to make sure I try to get this centered, just like that. Maybe it's a little low, that's okay. All right, let's try to close that up without getting that all over us. And then we're going to take our punch and hold it upside down, which is why I stamped it down here, so I'd have a little bit of room to hold on to it while I line it up the best I can and center it. Right there. We'll give that a quick pop. And now we can do some assembling. All right, we're gonna adhere our paper. This is a pretty side too. Either side would look good with this. Okay, then we're going to pop this up on our card front. Please, if you haven't clicked subscribe, please make sure to click subscribe today. And if you'd like to join my email list, I have the link below for that. You get a free tutorial when you join my email list. Okay, I'm going to try to center this up and down, side to side, just like that. And then we're going to take our little piece of vellum. Which side do I like better? I feel like that's a brighter side, so let's just put a little bit on the middle, right in the center. And then we're going to pop this up. I'm just going to put a couple. These are pretty strong, so it's not going to go anywhere. We'll center that, and then last but not least, in that the Floral Delight suite, where the paper and the vellum are coming from, we have these. Now, we've had bees before. These are called, what are they called? Teeny bee trinkets. Teeny bee. They are teeny tiny. They are so small, but you get 40 of them in a packet, so that is quite a few. Whoops. You don't want to lose them. They are small. Teeny tiny. Okay, but you get 40. That's a lot. All right, we're going to grab a glue dot and put this on with a glue dot. Let's see. I'm going to take that little bee and stick it on my glue dot, just like that, and peel it off. And I'm just going to put it right here. Just a little bit. I put it here because I don't want it to get lost in the pattern, so I can see it a little better. I could even put it up here maybe. I got a little extra room up there. I'm gonna put it over to the side though. Cute. I love it. This is light, so you don't have to do a white on the inside, but if you want to, you absolutely can. And that's it. Super quick, but we've got different ones. We've got Happy Valentine's Day if you want to send non-traditional colors. You Make Me Smile, lots of hugs and kisses. You and I make the best team, and life is better with you. So it's hugs for love. So you can put lots of sentiments. And like I said, there's another sentiment set that coordinates with this. I will post that as well. I'm just looking to see what the sentiments are that go with that. It's just a stamp set. I'm looking, oh, here we go. Now the frames on this one are designed to be turned sideways. So they kind of go this way, and we have congrats, the future is bright, from me to you, thank you from all of us, and so happy to you. So lots of different things that you could use for different occasions. So super cute. And I appreciate you watching. Just remember, if you place an order, what's today? I don't know. If you either way, whatever host code I have listed, whether it's December or January, because I can't remember what the day is today, you will, with a $50 order, you'll get a kit with cards to make and an embellishment. So make sure to include that host code with your order. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. I will see you on Thursday. All right. Bye-bye.